All right, you guys. Hello, welcome, bienvenidos to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in Guanacaste, down at Playa Hermosa right here. I'm just sitting in the shade right now. We're gonna do a drone video, a drone and talk and tour video here at this incredible beach. This is my favorite beach, I think, in all of Costa Rica. For a lot of things considered, it's a super nice beach, super close to the airport. Water's always nice. Relaxing, refreshing, lots to do and see, and lots of accommodations options here. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave us a comment as always. Now we'll start with where is Playa Hermosa. So it's probably about a 30-45 minute drive from the Liberia International Airport. If you're starting your vacation there in Liberia, you just drive out to the coast. It's one of the first beaches that you can get to from the coast here, and this is where you'll end up. So guys, before we put the drone up, be sure to hit the channel, check the channel out, and you can see all our videos that we've done in this area and around Costa Rica, all organized by beaches, towns, rivers, waterfalls, stuff like that, and organized by province. So let's, I got the drone ready to go. Got the drone, got the controller. We're gonna put it up and see what Hermosa looks like from the air. All right, and we are off, guys. Let's head out into the bay here and see what Playa Hermosa looks like from there. You can see a couple. Let's stop and take a look here. Jet skis. Cool. Lots of people doing the jet skis out there. I've done the jet skis out here in Hermosa. It's pretty cool, pretty fun. I think the pricing was like $100 for like an hour or something like that. I think. See, it's calm day, super calm day. Super clear skies. Nice and sunny down here. We're here in high season in December. See a couple islands out there. That's pretty cool. There's nothing on those islands, I don't think. So let's punch up a bit here. Let's get a bit of altitude and see what Hermosa looks like from the sky. Spin it around here really quick. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So let's start over here. So this is where I'm sitting, right over here. That's where we took off from. This development right over here is called Condo Vac. I think it's an all-inclusive. I've signed up at the gym there before. It's got a super nice gym. It overlooks the water. And here you go. There's the beach. The Playa Hermosa is a really, really long beach with accommodations options all around it. See how long it is, and it's pretty much perfect all the way along. And we'll start doing a little tour here. Maybe we'll talk about this area over here. So right in the middle, you can see this mountain range. It's called Punto Cacique, and I'll try to convey my understanding of what's going on over there. I think about 20 years ago, an investor bought the land out there, basically the whole hillside, with the intent of developing a resort. So they put a road in, and the road allowed for access to a couple beaches over here. And I drove down there. We've done videos on those beaches before. It's super nice. But recently they've started building the resort there. So we'll kind of spin around here and zoom in. I'm not going to fly over there. I think it would take a little bit of time to fly over there. But that is the resort right there. It's called the Waldorf Astoria. And the beach is called Playa Penca. So despite the construction, you can still drive down there. And the road is actually paved now. It's a pretty good road. And you can still walk down there because the laws in Costa Rica demand that beaches are private or public access. You can't privatize beaches, which is one of the great things. I think Costa Rica does that very well. When I went to Jamaica and parts of Mexico, it feels like you're not really connecting with the beach. The beaches were private, especially in Jamaica. It was not enjoyable. So here in Costa Rica, despite building a resort there, they still have to allow for public access, which is awesome. And that, a lot of excitement going on around that development. There's a lot of jobs coming in and a lot of infrastructure being developed for that. And this beach right here now in the middle of the screen, that's Playa Calzón de Pobre, and it means poor man's underpants. Now I think that's possibly the best name for a beach I've ever heard. And actually we started a driving tour. I drove my moto through Costa Rica. I started it at that beach, and I think we made 7 stops for the course of that series of videos. So check the channel for that. There's actually a playlist for that one. And that is also a really nice beach. Both of those beaches have incredible snorkeling. You can see the 2 jet skis. I think there's 2, or is there 1? 3. 3 jet skis heading past there right now. So, and that water, because it's more protected from the power of the open ocean over here, is you know, it's really calm there and it's really clear. So then around this cacique, Punta Cacique, you'll get into Playas del Coco. I've done some videos there recently on the channel, so if your vacation takes you to Playas del Coco, check the channel out. And then even farther, if I zoom in way down there, you're into Playa Matapalo, which is where the Rio Guanacaste and the all-inclusive resort is down there. So that's pretty cool. Now these islands, I forget what these islands are called. I once met a guy who swam out to those islands. He was like a PADI rescue diver, and I actually watched him swim most of the way, which is an incredible feat. I wouldn't have made it. So over here, guys, is the Bahia, the Papagayo. Right in the middle of the screen, we're looking at the marina there. There's a big marina. We've done a video out there before as well. So guys, if you want any of the links for these videos, leave me a comment and I can link you the videos. I can find them on the channel there. Over here, you're into the Four Seasons. And I know the Andaz is over there. Now, I've done a couple boat charters from out here. And they can take you to these beaches, which is pretty cool. And those beaches, just the same, are public access. So you can actually go over to the Four Seasons, the main entry gate there. And they can, I think they shuttle you over to the beaches. It's more controlled though. Now right here, guys, you can see here, behind this hill, beyond it, is Playa Panama. If you go over it. And there's a couple little beaches to the left here, just behind there, called Playa Buena and Playa Bonita. Very nice beaches as well. My understanding right here in the middle of the screen is that this is going to be a one and only resort, a 7-star resort. It's not built yet, but I think there is progress being made on it insofar as construction. So that's really cool. Again, more jobs for the area, more growth. You know, I know that's contentious for some people, but that's how Western economies work, I think. And we'll come back over to the beach. Maybe we'll fly over Hermosa itself. So over on this end of Hermosa, guys, right here, I'll zoom in. There's really good snorkeling over here. And actually, right in the middle of the screen, you can see there's a little beach there. So I did a video before, and we kind of got to that beach right in the middle of the screen. You kind of got to jump off that ledge. You see that big ledge in the middle. You can jump off that and swim over to the beach. But then there are a couple little tinier beaches right there in the middle you can walk over to. So those are pretty cool. And then once again, yeah, you're into Playa Hermosa right here. So Condo Vac, the resort here, Condo Vac, actually dumps on directly onto the beach. There's a walking path right down to the beach. And let's see, maybe we'll fly up and check out that gym. I thought the gym was pretty cool. I'm big into gyms, and I know guys have been asking questions on the channel about where's the gyms in Costa Rica. I can try to profile those the best. I'm not much of a foodie, but if you got I'm a gymmy, so if you got questions about gyms, I'm trying to visit all the gyms in Costa Rica while I'm here. So the gym actually is, I think that building all the way to the left would be your gym. So it actually affords you a view of the bay, which is really nice. And these are all rental kind of situations down here. And this is kind of the view from this end. There you go. Very nice. Very nice. Let's go along the beach though. Here's the main road running along the beach. So this one goes all the way along. Not all the way, but most of the way. There's parking along there. You'll find there's restaurants here. So along here, there's some restaurants. I'm pretty sure, I forget the name of this one. If you guys remember the name of this one right here, it's like a hotel and restaurant right there. And right beside it, this is an event house. You can have your wedding there if you're getting married. I'm a phobic to being married, so I won't be getting married there. But I actually know the owner of that place, and it's a very nice venue. I went to a party there one time. It was actually pretty cool. So right here in the middle, there's a couple condos. Big, those are like freehold condos. They got an HOA. I don't know how much it is. You can rent those out though, I'm sure. Now here is the main, you can see it behind these trees here, right in the middle of the screen. So it runs kind of along like this, and I'm starting to lose reception here, so I might not fly that much further. That's the main road that leads up to the road that goes between the beaches. Right there. And right here, there's some more, I think that's like a hotel, and I think there's an Italian restaurant there. I just drove by it, but, you know, my memory, hey, it's auto. It's auto. Up in the hills above. So all of these houses out here are kind of, they're developments where there's various types of houses all along the mountainside. And I've actually rented in this one right here in the middle of the screen. It's called Hermosa Heights. I've rented a house in there. Pretty nice venue. They have a big pool with a water slide. Super cool. I'll try to come back to the beach a bit so I can get some reception back. That would probably be a good idea. And you can see over here that all the boats are parked. So guys, there's guys down here on the beach selling boat tours, jet skis, all that kind of stuff. You can get everything you need right on the beach if you're staying. And this is why I love Playa Hermosa. It's so close to the airport. And it's a perfect, literally a perfect beach. The water is always so perfect. And there's tons of accommodations options and lots of restaurants as well. Right over on that side, there's some more built-up development. And there are restaurants over there and accommodations, everything like that. And right along the beach, let's check out the beach. Let's lower altitude. I feel like we've been high flying for a little bit. Let's bring it down. Bring it down a little bit. We'll check out the beach, check out the water. See people swim in there. So look at how calm the water is, and look at how clear it is out there. Obviously at the shore there's a little bit of wash coming up, but it's still super, super nice. Let's do this little scenic shot here. Look at that. Wow. It's like National Geographic's. Just perfect. People walking along the beach. I'm probably going to do a little workout while I'm here. Got some dumbbells. Got some shade. There's the estuary right over here. Estuary is like the rivers that dump out into the beach. That's nice. You can see the river's actually, it's not too bad. It's kind of full. So that's easily passable. You don't have to worry about get sucked away in the estuary. Some of the beach towns have really strong, powerful estuaries. Let's head back. Maybe let's check out a boat. Why not? I'm free like a bird right now. What's going on with the boat skis? That's a nice little boat. All right. There you go. Super nice. And now you can actually fish down here. I have a video of Playa Hermosa. A guy caught a big needlefish. It's actually the title image of the video. It's super, it was a big fish. And if you come fishing down at the beaches, if you, what I've learned is that if you just watch the water when it starts fizzling, that means the little fish are trying to run away from the big fish. So that's where you actually cast into and try to get the big fish to eat your little fish. Or whatever the case is. I'm not a fisherman either, guys. Got to be another channel for that. So you can see here, look at this really nice place. I think this is that restaurant hotel that I pointed out earlier. Maybe not. Maybe it is, maybe not. Trying as best I can to point things out whilst keeping it moving. Now down here at Condovac, there is some shops and stuff like that. You can actually, I think in Condovac, you can start renting some stuff, some kayaks and stuff like that, right down here. And that little hut right there. Cool. So you can, hopefully that gives you an idea, guys, of Playa Hermosa here in Guanacaste. Head right back down to the beach and finish this drone flight off. We've been going for 12 minutes. It's a pretty good flight. Look at the view here, just a perfect day. Rainy season's over, so hopefully there's no more rain. And let's take it back to the shore. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that drone video from right here in Playa Hermosa in Guanacaste. Super nice beach, guys. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment, your questions, feedback, requests for your vacation. Let me know how your vacation went. I love hearing everybody's stories about places they've been. I'm just kind of sharing my experience here as I go. So what's the rest of my day look like? Looks like dumbbells, pineapple. Guys, this bag is great. Check the links down in the description below for some stuff that I find useful while I'm traveling here in Costa Rica. Probably not dumbbells. You just get those at Pequeño Mundo. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon here. Bye now.